If you're a DIY newbie terrified of sparks, you need to master the multimeter before diving into your next project. Trust me, it's easier and safer than you think. Here's how to start. Think of a multimeter as the Swiss Army knife of electronics. It measures voltage, current, resistance, and even tells you if a wire is broken. Step 1. Safety first. Turn off the power before measuring anything except voltage. If you're working near high voltage, insulated gloves are your new BFF. And double-check your meter's rating. No one wants a fried multimeter or eyebrows. Let's break down the basics. The display shows your number. The big dial lets you pick what you're measuring: voltage, current, or resistance. Red probe goes in the VO port, black and calm. Just remember, red means positive, black means don't panic. Measuring voltage? Set the dial to V for batteries or V tilde for wall outlets. Touch red to positive, black to negative, and read the screen. For current, you'll actually break the circuit and run it through the meter. Think of it as a toll booth for electrons. Measuring resistance or checking continuity. Power off, probes across the part, listen for the beep. Quick recap: start on the highest range, parallel for voltage, resistance, series for current. Subscribe for more DIY safety hacks, and remember, measure twice, shock zero.